现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, it's time for another beautiful song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and this is Misa with her single called Hoingo, which means a goose turning into a seagull. You see, it is a magical story telling the story of an unoccupied house which transforms into a boat in the middle of the night and slips into the sea, as well as a goose who touches the seawater and becomes a seagull to fly away.These are metaphors for people who don't have to rely on others or who don't want to set down roots and how they can enjoy their freedom and explore the world. Let's explore this song together with Misa called Hoingo.
有一双一个我就昂的渡河名义是南方
这首 Misa 的歌呢叫做 Hoingo， 是海鹅，不是海鸥哦。其实它有它的用意在哦。因为一开始呢，在歌里面呢是叙述一个没有人居住的家，在夜里呢，它会化身成一艘船，航向大海之后呢，变成鲸鱼潜入深海。而鹅呢碰到了盐水，也就是海水，它变成了海鸥，在天地跟海洋之间来飞翔哦。在描述一些这个无依无靠的人哦，不需要别人的依赖去陪伴，反而呢是要出发去探索世界，来迈向寻找自己的人生跟自己的自由，很有魔力的一首歌。All right, another beautiful song from Misa with a lot of metaphor to it. My name is Joseph Lin. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.